efforts.
Jodito sekta mar somo e gwenge ma Bomachoge Borabwe County makisiko ya mondo oket ong'ala manyime somb jopuonjre mayudre mier mondo kik gigam remo kata tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji ka gilose gwenge ma Kenyenya. Kinde nyasi mar jolo somb nyithindo ma ok anyuola mochando, jod bura ma gwenge Badia Barongo owacho ni omako motegno somb nyithindo mochando kata obedo ni gikalo ya chiedh nade mar nok mar omenda e udi. E kinde nyasi no jopuonjre mathoth mawuok e familia mochando noyudo omenda mag siro sombgi manochwal negi e yor CDF. Riwruok mar jopuonj mag Oket bende otiyo kod thuolono e nyiso duol mandiko jopuonje pacho kae TSC mondo mi oting' malo lwasi mar jopuonj kata ma jopuonj tiye e skunde duto mathur kae.
Given a total of 60 million shillings to a total of 10,534 beneficiaries. I'm happy to report that our people are happy. The number of beneficiaries this year has increased 24% compared to last year. Last year we had 8,501. This year we've had 10,534. We had a very simple criteria of trying to assist students who orphaned, total orphans, by giving them a total of 10,000 shillings.
This time round, most of those who were supposed to benefit, benefited. I would like also to urge, and this one should go to the Teacher Service Commission, because as leaders in the union, recently we were able to complain to the Teacher Service Commission about the promotions that were done. And Teacher Service Commission pulled down the list of those who were promoted because it was an effective list. And because the union, we have to stand with our members, we agreed that that list be made clear so that those who are promoted, their sub-counties, their counties should be captured. But up to now, nothing has been done. We're being told that going forward, they will be receiving letters. Those who have been promoted will be receiving letters.